Hey everyone, this quick video is just for Walmart employees. If you're not a Walmart associate, this discount won't apply to you. But if you are, I'll show you exactly how to add your Walmart associate discount card online. First, head over to walmart.com. If you don't have an account yet, create one. If you already do, just sign in. Once signed in, you'll see your name at the top right corner. Hover over your name to open the drop-down menu and click on Account. From there, look for the Wallet section and click on it. Scroll down on the Wallet page until you see Discounts and Promotions. Right under that, you'll find Walmart Associate Discount. Click Register to add your card. Now, enter your associate card number and your WIN number. If you don't know your WIN number, open the Me at Walmart app and tap the Me tab. You'll find it there. Once you've entered both numbers, click Save and your discount will be applied to your account for online shopping. And that's it. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching.